How to turn off notifications on Temu mobile app. So let's start. Open the app and then go down here middle and click on this U icon. Next, click settings and then click notifications. What can you do here? You can turn off notification for promotions, orders, or chat messages or recommendations. So we're gonna try promotions here. You can turn off push notifications in your device, so it's not gonna be like right here. Sometimes it's annoying, so you can turn it off. So just tap on it and it's off. And also you don't need to receive promotions in your email, so just tap on it and it's off. Perfect. And same here, you can turn it off. Here is the same thing. And this is how can you turn off notifications. I'm gonna show you one more time. Where is it? So if you close application and if you open your application again, go here, click on this U icon, find settings, here we go, notifications, and if you edit promotions or the updates, chat messages or recommendations, you can turn it off or turn it on. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.